This is the smell of home. Today, I'm making Kenyan style pilau. Rich, spicy, and full of flavor. If you love real Swahili taste, this one is for you. Let's cook. Start by frying the onions in oil until dark brown. This is where pilau gets its color and deep flavor. Roast some black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, and some cardamom until the aroma fills the kitchen. Add in garlic, ginger, and bell pepper paste. Stir until fragrant. Add the meat and stir well. Let it fry until coated with the spices. Add the crushed mixture with some pilau masala. Mix until coated well. Add the rice and stir to coat every grain. Pour in some beef broth and 2 cups of water. Stir and cover. Also, make sure to cook on low heat. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 8 minutes. I made a purple cabbage salad with some carrots and coriander. You can make yours depending on your preference. This is rich, smoky, and full of real Swahili flavor. If you love authentic Kenyan food, Like, subscribe to Chef the Munchies and share the recipe. Asante.